Hello, this is Michael. So as you know, this whole tunnel oven has three parts. One part is the inlet device, and the middle part is the tunnel oven, baking area. So the third part is the outlet device. Now I'm standing at the outlet device. So the outlet device looks similar with the inlet device. The length all the same as 1 meter. But there is a small difference. The outlet parts have several conveyor rollers, and on this part you can see there is a handle. There's a handle just by spring to control the window door. Why we call it a window door? Actually, it's a plate to isolate the cold wind from the warm tunnel. You know, the temperature is very important for the baking oven. So by this one, you can open or close the door to prevent the cold wind going inside the tunnel. But the height and the height can be controlled, depends on your size of the cake. For example, you are baking the height, the big cake, like the height is bigger. So you can lift up the gate, and if you want the small, if you baking the small cake, it's very thin, so you can lower down the wind gate in order to save energy and keep the warm. And you can see this is the regulator. This regulator just by adjusting the distance to keep the baking plate in line. You know, after the cake coming out from the oven, so normally it's double pans. So once they coming out with the regulator, so the two pans can still keep in the same line, so that they can go into the next conveyor together and in line. So for your convenience.